Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Calendly for scheduling meetings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Calendly, first, visit the Calendly website at calendly.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button. You can create an account using your email address or by connecting your Google or Microsoft account. Once you've logged in, you will be taken to your Calendly dashboard. To set up your availability, click on the Event Types tab on the left side. Here, you can create a new event by clicking on the plus New Event Type button. Select the type of meeting you want to schedule, such as one-on-one or group events. Fill in the necessary details, including the event name, duration, and location. You can choose whether the meeting will be held over a phone call, video conference, or in person. Next, click on When can people book this event? Here, you can set your availability by selecting the days and times Make sure to set the time zone correctly, especially if you're scheduling with someone in a different location. Once you've established your availability, click on Invitees to customize your event further. You can add questions for invitees, such as their preference for communication or additional details about the meeting. After configuring these settings, click on Notifications and Cancellation to set reminders for both you and your attendees. Customize the email notifications by choosing when they should be sent out. Once you've reviewed all settings, click on Save and Close to finish creating your event type. Your new event will now appear on your dashboard under Event Types. To share your Calendly link, click on the Share button next to your event. You can copy the link and send it directly to clients or embed it on your website. When someone accesses your link, they'll see your available times, making it easy for them to schedule a meeting. To check your scheduled appointments, go back to your dashboard and click on Scheduled Events. Here, you will find all your upcoming meetings and can make adjustments if necessary. Using Calendly simplifies the process of scheduling meetings and helps eliminate the back and forth of emails. Now you're ready to use Calendly effectively for all your meeting scheduling needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.